Hello guys, what's up? Let me break down this trade. I'm using higher time frame point of view BOS plus lower time frame BOS. On 5 minutes we can see there is a BOS breakout structure plus fair gap. Let me write it. And also on 1 minute chart there is also breakout structure plus fair gap BOS. And also let me show you the FVG, and there is a SND or supply or demand responsible for the breakout structure that indicates that there is a momentum in the market. Let me add some layer of buy orders. I add buy orders a little bit early, so I was sure 100%, but price will be rapidly touch the SNDR or the fair value gap before it will continue to go up. So let's see what will be happening. If you see this video helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. If you have any question, please comment below. I will answer your question as soon as possible, and also I will share my another videos that I'm using higher time frame POS, using lower time frame POS as a confirmation, which will help you to gain more success in your trading journey.